Hi, it's Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS Secretary, and I'm joined today with my colleague Brooke Rollins, who's the USDA Secretary. Thanks to President Trump's Make America Healthy Again agenda, we are finding solutions across the government to reverse the childhood chronic disease epidemic. Thank you very much. Today we released our Make Our Children Healthy Again strategy, the most significant reform agenda to our food and healthcare policies in modern history. The Commission's message is clear. We cannot reverse the chronic disease epidemic without making whole food and the success of the American farmer a national priority. Right now, America spends more on healthcare than any other country, mostly treating chronic conditions, many of which are preventable and reversible with whole, healthy food. But our system recommends and subsidizes processed food for children, soldiers, and seniors. Then it pays for that mistake with skyrocketing Medicaid and Medicare costs. The result, pharmaceutical and insurance companies grow rich while farmers suffer in difficult farm economy. We have to support our soil, we must support our farmers, and we must challenge the interests that profit from kids getting sick. This administration is leading a long-term conversation to change how America approaches food and health, and we're delivering results across our government. Our reforms include removing harmful chemicals from food, defining ultra-processed food and labeling food clearly, requiring nutrition and metabolic health courses in medical schools, closing the GRAS loophole and raising infant formula standards, improving food for our military, our veterans, schools, and hospitals, updating water quality standards, including PFASs, reforming Medicaid quality metrics to measure real health improvement through fitness indicators and nutrition coaching. We're also reforming NIH and other research agencies to tackle how food impacts the root causes of chronic disease. Our priorities include nutrition and metabolic health, food quality, gut microbiome, precision agriculture, and soil health. And this year, HHS and USDA will release nutrition guidelines that end corporate capture and put whole food at the center of Make America Healthy Again. This historic effort would not be possible without the leadership of Secretary Brooke Rollins at USDA.
Oh, thank you, Secretary Kennedy. A central focus of the report that was just released is working with our farmers. The innovation happening across America's heartland is the key to healthier food and healthier soil. We are streamlining organic certification, we are cutting bureaucratic barriers to direct-to-consumer sales, and we are improving farm-to-school grants so local producers can connect directly with our schools. The Department of Agriculture will empower farmers to keep working lands profitable and productive, and we will provide growers with new tools to maintain and improve soil health, including practices that increase soil organic matter and improve soil composition. We are using gold standard science for every regulatory decision and updating outdated methods. And we are ensuring government programs finally recommend and incentivize whole food, starting with our work with states to remove soda and candy from SNAP. And I look forward to working with grocers to develop sustainable, accountable, and measurable incentive programs that emphasize fruit and vegetable consumption.
A cultural awakening is happening across America. Parents are reading food labels more closely. Moms are demanding whole food in schools. Patients are asking doctors about the root causes of their chronic diseases. And we are realizing the deep connection between our health, our food, and our soil. With this awakening and the historic reforms the Trump administration is delivering, we can reverse the childhood chronic disease crisis. Together, we will make our children healthy again.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.